Here's how you turn one-time passcode or OTP verification number autofills on and off. If you're not familiar with what these are, they are used by websites to verify who you are. So if you sign in and you have two-factor authentication turned on for whatever account you're signing into, they will send you a code to your email or via text message. You then paste that into the website, and that shows them that you are who you say you are. You might also get these when you're signing up for new accounts on websites, and that reduces the spam accounts that are signed up for various websites. So to have these autofilled or not, you can turn that on and off, that feature. To do that, you go into the settings, then you scroll down until you see autofill and passwords. Here, this toggle, if it's turned on, the one-time passcodes are going to be autofilled. If it's turned off, they're not going to be autofilled. So pick the appropriate one for what you need, and that's all you have to do. And if you get value from my videos, I encourage you to check out the membership options for this channel. There's a join button down below this video. Just click on that to see what the options are. I appreciate you checking those out. And if you want to find more space on your phone, because almost all of us need more space, and there's almost always more space to be found, check out this video right here to help you find more space on your phone. Some people report getting gigabytes of space back. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.